Hello, ATM. This is Josh Ford.
Hello, ATM. I'm Jong.
I'm Arabelle.
Hello, ATM. It's Anthony Constantino here.
Hello ATM, this is Bugoy Drilon.
Hello ATM, this is Marco Navarra.
Hello ATM, this is Prince Clemente.
Hello ATM, this is Prince Carlos.
Hello ATM, this is Vince Mersta, and I'll be answering your questions.
My plans this summer is definitely going to be working, of course. Work comes first. But other than work, guys, I'm going to be on vacation, maybe back home in LA, and also traveling here in the Philippines. Some beaches around here and getting tan, of course.
Siyempre, magpunta sa beach, tapos with family and friends.
More gala. Yes, gala no ng first one.
Siguro ako, tulog.
Ako.
Matulog. Buong summer. Walang pera eh. Tingi pera.
Ayan, plans this summer, syempre, grind. Hustle pa rin talaga yung focus ko ngayon. I mean, summer will be nice para magpahinga with your family and friends, pero main priority ko talaga is to focus on myself and sa craft ko and sa career ko. Kaya guys, you'll be seeing a lot of me this summer for sure.
And my plan po sa summer na to is to spend with my family and just creating new memories with them.
Beach or tourist spot yung pupuntahan ko, but definitely here sa Philippines lang.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala mag-beach, di ba? Summer eh, so ano pa bang gagawin natin kung hindi magpunta ng beach at mag-swimming?
This coming summer, syempre given na kailangan magbi-beach tayo. So baka sa birthday ko bumalik akong Bali or mag-Palawan pa sa beach trip.
Siyempre, sando, sunscreen.
Sunscreen, since summer nga. Face powder. And perfume. Kasi summer mainit. Pag nagpa-west mo na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tama. Ako, buti sa kanya nakakadala siya ng sunscreen. Ako hindi ako nakakadala ng sunscreen. Natatakot kasi yung sun sa akin. Kaya may screen na ako eh. Ano tawa? Happy. Wala, ano pa ba isa sunscreen mo dito ba? Wala na. Ayun lang naman.
Tatlo nga.
Tatlo?
Tatlong gamit.
Matutulog nga ni.
So,
Anong dadalhin ko sa summer? Actually, hindi ako nagsa-summer talaga eh.
3 must-have items. Definitely number 1 is going to be sunscreen. Wear some SPF so your skin is safe. Number 2 is going to be my avocado milk from S&J, guys. So I have that tall, dark, and handsome glow, of course. And then number 3 is going to be deodorant, because I can't be smelling, guys. You know, can't lose aura with being stinky.
Can't forget the shades. Kailangan mo ng shades, mainit. Di mo makita yung sun or yung mga pag nasa beach ka, di ba? Kailangan mo talaga ng shades. Second, kailangan mo ng kasama. Ayaw mo naman maging lonely this summer, di ba? Nakakawawa ka naman pag mag-isa ka na this summer. Dapat may kasama ka. Hindi naman dapat partner. Pwede naman friend or parents or family. Ganyan. Third, I'd say, pera. Kailangan ng pera, oo. Importante yan. Hindi tayo makakapag-enjoy. Makakapag-enjoy naman tayo pag walang pera, but if pera, makakapag-travel ka. And I think that's really important, syempre. Mas marami kang choices pag mas marami kang kita.
Sunscreen, cellphone, and then some cash. Kasi pag nauhaw ka, paano ka bibili?
Credit card, kailangan ng credit card. Alam mo yun, minsan kasi, on the spot ako mag-decide eh. So, kailangan ko, pag may gusto kong bilhin, kailangan bilhin ko kagad. And siguro perfume, and of course, shades.
Charger. Pangalawa, shades. Tapos, pangatlo, wallet. Pambayad, di ba?
Siguro number 1, syempre sunblock. Syempre kailangan natin protektahan yung skin natin, yung face natin. And number 2, tubig. Syempre mainit. Syempre pera, kailangan ng pera.
Good food.
Magandang accommodation.
Ako pwede ring beach.
A beautiful beach, one very untouched, very, very good weather that I'm looking for this coming summer. And of course, I'm looking for my son. Oh, sorry.
This is Anthony.
My son.
This is my son. And if you see him, just be like, yo, it's Josh's son.
No.
Ganyan lang tayo, guys.
My son, guys.
Yeah.
Number 3, can't live without my son, guys.
Enjoy the interview, bro, yeah? So, yeah,
Yeah.
that's my son. Kaya natin ng getaway villa. Na getaway vehicle, yan. It's So, 2 na yan. Third, perfect music. Music's very important. Oh. Importante yan para mas ma-enjoy at mas ma-feel mo yung summer vibe.
Beach towel. Sunscreen. Tapos, bottled water.
Of course, good company. Good company, importante yan pag may getaway. Music. Music talaga. Music pinaka-importante din para summer vibes yung datingan. Isa sa mga nilook forward ko dun pag nasa beach ako, yung culture ng mga tao.
Magandang resort. Tapos, good company. And good drinks.
It's a good food, a magandang beach, and number 3, good and fun company.
And thank you, ATM. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, ATM. Don't forget to like.
And subscribe.
Thank you, ATM. Make sure you guys don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.
Thank you, ATM. This is Bugoy Dulon. And don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you, ATM. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, ATM, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, ATM. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, ATM. Don't forget to like and subscribe.